right, so the digital world, so understanding business. So, who hires freelancers? Freelancers are engaged by a diverse range of clients, including startups, content creators, coaches, and consultants. Small business owners or startups often operating with limited budgets. So, small businesses hire freelancers to access specialized skills without the commitment of full time employment. And startups, so to maintain flexibility and manage costs, startups frequently rely on freelancers for tasks like web development, marketing, and design. I usually work with startups, coaches, and YouTubers. Most of them needed freelancers for content creation because they want to be visible online. So, those are a great niche to get started in freelancing because when you're starting a business, you want to be visible online. There are a lot of small business owners, startups, YouTubers, and they need freelancers to help them with content creation, video editing, and being visible online. So, content creators, especially bloggers or vloggers and podcasters, collaborate with freelancers for assistance in areas such as video editing, graphic design, and content writing. So, I also do that. I also write content and edit videos and do graphic design. So, coaches and consultants. So, these professionals often outsource tasks like social media management, content creation, and admin support to freelancers, allowing them to focus on their core services. Okay, so a study by FlexJobs highlights that companies across various industries, including staffing firms like Robert Half International and Kforce, frequently hire remote freelancers. So, us freelancers are the ones these businesses needed for them to do their core work and us freelancers to help them do the other side of work. Okay, so what are the in-demand beginner skills? So stand out in the freelancing market, consider developing the skills like graphic design, social media management, video editing, and community management, and also blog writing and website management. So I do all of this actually. So graphic design, utilize tools like Canva or Photoshop if you are more advanced. So I use Canva to create visual content. So graphic design remains one of the most sought after freelance skills because some clients don't have time to design for their social media posts. So they need someone to do it like daily to manage their social media. So same with social media management. So to manage and grow client social media presence using platforms such as Metricool or Buffer. These tools are scheduling tools. So you also have to explore that. And this role involves content planning, audience engagement, and analytics. Another one is video editing. So, video editing, you can start with user friendly software like CapCut to produce and edit videos. So, with the rise of video content across platforms, video editing skills are increasingly in demand because there are a lot of content creators already. And video editing is a tedious task and time consuming. So, content creators and small business owners need someone to edit their videos so they can do only the recording, the planning of the content. So, they outsource the video editing part. You just need to learn the basics of video editing in order to get paid as a freelancer. So when I was starting, I focused on video editing. And into my next courses, I will cover video editing. So make sure to follow me and check your email if you're already subscribed to my newsletter. So you will get updated when this course will be up. Okay, so next is community management. So engage with online communities, moderate discussions, and foster a positive environment. So this role is essential for brands looking to build strong relationships with their audience. Like YouTube, you manage the client's YouTube channel, answer questions. So, for example, a startup has a community and the users ask about technical questions or anything like that. So, you are someone who does answering those questions and assisting the users about the software. Okay, so Blog writing, if you are good at writing articles, so you can create compelling content for platforms like WordPress or Ghost. So freelance writing offer opportunities in various niches from technical writing to creative storytelling. And website management. So you can perform basic website maintenance, updates, and troubleshooting to ensure optimal performance. So proficiency in content management systems and a basic understanding of development are beneficial. Okay, so developing the skills can enhance your marketability and open doors to various freelance opportunities. So, actually, this is an exciting journey because by understanding your potential clients and honing in demand skills, you're well on your way to success.